The roof's down there. And the two sides are still here yet for the car. The car could be put together with another frame. There's one fender well.
That's pretty rough.
There's the other fender well down in there.
Brackets are still good for the front bumper.
There's the hood.
Boy, that frame's rotten.
Holy smoke. See if Martin owns this. I want to go to the back and see where the fence is.
I could maybe squeeze by you here.
See that steel post? It still goes back there.
Sorry, I had to move that.
Okay.
I think
I think
that's 1930s. I'm not sure what, but for sure that's a 1930s car. Oh yeah, that's 30s all right. That's a nice old car at one time. Was a nice old car. Where's the dash? Pretty rotten, no. This car used to be on its side, but this tree moved it. This tree fell over, moved it. It was on its side though. Last time I seen it, about what, 7 years ago, but oh yeah. The back bumper. Back bumper wasn't that bad until the tree moved it. That's too bad that it's toast. Oh, well, fortunately, I'm done. Could have been a stolen car at one time, so somebody dumped it in the bush. I don't know.